Hello everyone, welcome to English classes with Unit 8 of Class 7 Fire, Friend and Foe. MCQ Objective Type Question Answer. What is the meaning of foe? Enemy. What is the cause of fire? Chemical reaction. Question 3. When does a fuel burn? At a flash point. When is fire useful? When it is under control. Question 5. What may have puzzled early men? Fire. Question 6. What are needed to make fire? Oxygen, fuel and heat. Question 7. From where does oxygen come? From air. Question 8. When is fire very dangerous? Fire कब ज्यादा खतरनाक होती है? When it is out of control. जब यह कंट्रोल से बाहर होती है. Question 9. How can we put out fire? हम फायर को कैसे बुझा सकते हैं? With damp blanket or a sack. गीले कंबल से या फिर गीले बोरे से. Question 10. Who is the good servant of human being in this chapter if it is under control? Fire. Question 11. What happens when the oxygen in the air combines with carbon and hydrogen in a fuel? क्या होता है जब हवा में ऑक्सीजन कार्बन और हाइड्रोजन के साथ कंबाइंड होती है एक फ्यूल में? Chemical reaction takes place. Question 12. How many ways to put out the fire? 3 ways. Question 13. What is the best extinguisher to fight an electric fire? Answer. A carbon dioxide extinguisher. Question 14. What is called the particular temperature of fuel? फ्यूल के एक विशेष टेम्परेचर को क्या बोला जाता है? आंसर. फ्लैश पॉइंट और किंडलिंग टेम्परेचर. Question 15. Who come to put out the fire? Firefighters. Question 16. Is water used to put out the fire if the fire is an oil fire? No, it can become more dangerous. Short type answer questions. What is a fire? It is the chemical reaction of oxygen, carbon, hydrogen mixed with fuel. Question 2. What are 3 things to make the fire? Fuel, oxygen and heat. Question 3. What are the some example of fuel? Wood, coal, cooking gas and petrol. Question 4. What was the main way to put out the fire at earlier time? Answer. People used to form human chain from a water source to the blaze. Question 5. How the fire is good servant and bad master? Fire किस तरह से एक अच्छा नौकर और बुरा मास्टर है? आंसर. When the fire is under control, it is a good servant, and if the fire is out of control, it is a bad master. Question 6. What are the uses of fire in our daily life? हमारी डेली लाइफ में फायर के क्या प्रयोग है? We use it for cooking, warm our houses in winter, to generate electricity, etc. Question 7. What are the 3 main ways the fire can be put out? कौन से 3 तरीके हैं जिनसे फायर को पुट आउट किया जा सकता है? आंसर. Removing the fuel, फ्यूल को रिमूव करना. Stopping the supply of oxygen, ऑक्सीजन की सप्लाई को रोकना. Bringing down the temperature around the fuel below its flash point. Question 8. Who are the firefighters? Firefighters कौन हैं? They are highly trained people. They possess many skills. They are trained in first aid. Question 9. Why was earlier men frightened to fire? प्राचीन व्यक्ति फायर से क्यों डरते थे? Earlier men have seen the damage it could cause. He must watched lightning and volcanoes also. Question 10. Why gaps are left between building during construction? Answer. Gaps are left during building construction to reduce the risk of fire. Thank you.